Want to add or change your location on Weather app? Is your iPhone Weather app showing the wrong location? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the location in your Weather app. Let's dive right into the steps. Solution 1. Add a new location. Open the Weather app. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Enter the name of the city or location you want. Tap Add Next to the location to add it to your list. Solution 2. Set default location. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap App. Find out Weather app. Tap Location, select Always. Also enable Precise Location. Solution 3. Update location services. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Ensure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down and tap Weather. Select while using the app or always. So that's how you can change the location in the Weather app on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.